Here we are. Now I have to have a picture of Dorothea. What's your bird's name again?
Buddy.
Buddy, sitting on her shoulder. Grace, you wouldn't believe how tame this canary is. It's just amazing. He flies around and then he sits on her shoulder. And look at all these birds. Oh my goodness, Grace. Look at them all. Oh, they're so pretty. All different colors. Wow. Wow, look at them all. Oh, look, here's another. Oh, this is the parrotlet, right?
Kiss, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Come on, give me a kiss. You're brat.
Oh, he's so tame.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Good girl. Good girl.
Oh. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Here's another one.
Look at all of these birds.
Here, you want to see a nice tide?
Wow, look at that. Gorgeous wings. Wow. Now, these are true parrots. They're just small, right?
Correct.
Wow.
And they are also paired up. Come here, Stinky.
Here's another one. Oh, Grace is going to want to see this someday. Oh, look. Oh, oh, how pretty. Wow. So tame.